Travelers. So today we're taking a look at this pre-release product, which is going to be on Kickstarter from Evo. You may remember I did a previous review on one of their razors. This is their new iteration. Comes with a nice little bag here, and it does have a locking mechanism. You can see here, if you press and hold this for 3 seconds, then it will lock. It's currently locked, so when you press it once, that blue light means that it's not going to activate. But if I press and hold that for 3 seconds, then it turns on. Has USB-C charging, and it has a nice magnetic lid here. And you can see that it also has a magnet to hold it open, so you can clean it. And I believe it's waterproof, so you can actually put water in this part here. But let's just take a look what else you get in here. In this you get a little cleaning brush and then a USB-C to A cable. In terms of shaving performance, I'm going to go ahead and do a test. You can see I don't have a real lot of thick hair, but I haven't shaved for maybe a day and a half or 2 days. So let's see how good it will perform. When I turn it on, it's not that loud, but it doesn't sound like it's that fast. And it makes me wonder if it's going to be very effective. And by the way, I did charge this up fully, so if that isn't running at full power, then I guess that's a problem with the actual blades or something, but everything seems to be in place. They do have a little bit of springiness to them. Yeah, I don't think there's a way to make it go faster. So pressing and holding it while it's on doesn't make it go faster. And double tapping it while it's off doesn't make it go faster either. So I don't think there is a way to increase the speed. It does feel kind of slow, but it is cutting the hair without any pain. So I think, yeah, it does a pretty good job. I feel like the previous model might have been somehow faster or better or something. This feels like it's running too slow, but looking at the results and feeling it, it is quite smooth. It seems to have done a pretty good job. So that's it, my kind of first try and hands-on with the new Evo Shaver. Some of the good points are that it's thin, small, reasonably lightweight, and I like the magnetic lid and the other magnetic features where you can clean it. And it is waterproof, I believe. Has USB-C charging, but then it does feel like it runs a bit slow. Couldn't see any speed settings, and there's no instruction manual. But it does do a fairly good job at cutting smoothly, about as good as the previous one. So overall, if you are in the market for a sort of thin USB-C rechargeable razor, then I can recommend it. But for me personally, I do prefer using the traditional double-edged safety razor. Even when I'm traveling, I find that this is quite good. You can often pick up razors, you know, when you're on the road. So overall, check it out if you're interested in electric razors. Otherwise, I think I'm probably going to stick with the traditional methods. Do leave a comment below what you think about this razor, and be sure to subscribe if you're interested in keeping up to date with future reviews.